Are you tired of dealing with slow, complicated, and expensive international money transfers? Do you wish there was a faster, cheaper, and simpler way to send money abroad? Well, you're in luck, and it all starts with your debit card. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to fund your Paysend account using a debit card, a process that's so straightforward it'll change the way you think about global transfers. Paysend is a game changer because it allows you to send money directly from one debit card to another, or to a bank account, with a flat, transparent fee. And the best part? It's often processed in minutes, not days. So let's get into it. First things first, you'll need the Paysend app. If you don't have it already, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll see a Send Money button. Tap that, and you'll be prompted to choose the country you want to send money to and the amount. Next, you'll be asked how you want to pay. This is where your debit card comes in. Select the From Card option. You'll enter your debit card details, the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Don't worry, Paysend uses bank-level security to keep your information safe. After you've entered your card details and the amount you want to send, you'll see a complete breakdown of the transfer. This includes the exchange rate, the small flat fee, and the exact amount your recipient will get. No hidden fees, no surprises. When everything looks good, just hit confirm. That's it. Your money is on its way. It's truly that simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.